Instantly just got probably the best feature in the world, and that is that you can create AI personalized sales videos to all of your leads directly from Instantly and send them in few clicks. And this will boost your conversion rate, reply rate, get more meetings done. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is install the Weezly Chrome extension, and just go on Google, search for Weezly Chrome extension. Once that is installed, this is where the magic happens. Once inside Instantly, click on a campaign that you have created, go to your leads, and what you will see now is create automated videos. And this is all done thanks to Weezly Chrome extension. Click on this one here. Weezly will now fetch all the leads from the list in Instantly. And what you need to do now is select the video message that you want to reach out to these leads with. So make sure that you segment your leads and that you have a correct video message. And if there are great tutorials on weezly.com/tutorials, how to create a good video message, what you should say, and in order to get the best reply rates from your leads and as many meetings as possible. Cool. Now we selected the message, hit next. What you can do here is actually customize the landing page and the video page. So you can say, okay, I want auto scroll on each of the websites. You can have the video title, so for example, hi, and then we can use the first name, so it will fetch the name of each lead that you're contacting. You can also have a captions. Shall we talk, maybe? And then you have, question mark. And the other thing that Weezly has is the scheduling part. So what you can do is enable a booking page next to your videos. So basically when you send these videos, people can directly book meetings with you straight away. And the only thing you need to do is just hit create automated videos. And now videos will be started and generated inside Instantly. And if you refresh the page, you will see a small progress bar. So now we are generating videos to these specific leads. And basically we will find a website and everything will look like you created a video for each specific lead. So 1 second. Awesome, so the videos have been now created and I can preview them. So if I click on this video here, it looks like this. So it says, hi Master, it found my website. It has the video and it says, shall we talk? There is the booking page. And if we look on the next one, if I click on this one, there we go. Now we created a video specifically for this specific lead. And how do I send these videos? Very quickly. So if you go to the sequences, you will see a Weezly icon here. Now click on this one and then go to automated videos and just click on the name of this campaign. You see it's a sales campaign here. And automatically the code is inserted and you can also preview this and there's the video. So now each lead will get automated AI sales video tailor-made for them directly from Instantly. That is how quickly you create AI personalized sales video directly and Instantly and send them through a few clicks. And this is really groundbreaking. So make sure to get the extension on Weezly.com. And thank you very much for listening. Bye-bye.